A warm welcome to the learners to learn final accounts using Tally ERP9. In this video, let us see the purpose, problem, procedure, working using Tally ERP and questions. The purpose of final account is to determine the profit and loss incurred by the company for a given financial period. Next purpose is to determine the financial position of the company. Let us see this with the help of a following problem. Following is the details derived from Lawlock and Co. For this, you are asked to prepare trial balance, profit and loss account and balance sheet. The procedure for preparing this sum using Tally is as follows. First, we have to create the company. Next, we have to activate the futures. Then we have to fix the current period. Then ledger creation. After that, we have to create the vouchers. Now, let us see how this will taken place in Tally. Before that, we have to make use of the journal entries for these transactions. Following are the various journal entries as per this problem. Now, let us see how this will appear in Tally. First thing, we have to create the company. This is the gateway of Tally. Here we have to create the company by making use of the company info key. I have already created, so I am selecting that company. After that, we have to check the current period. Then we have to activate the future according to the need of the problem. This is the future activation for this problem. We have to activate in this way and give the acceptance. After that, we have to go to the gateway of Tally. Then we have to go to the accounting info. There we have to create the ledger. I have created all the ledgers for this problem, so I am taking the display of it. Using multiple ledger, I have created all the details of ledger and the group under which it should be gathered is shown here. After that, creating of ledger, we have to go to the accounting voucher and we have to create the voucher. Accounting voucher. First, the business started with a cash. So, it must be recorded in the receipt voucher. The date is 1/6/2022. So, in receipt voucher, the credit item appear first. So, the journal entry for the business started with the cash is cash account debtor to capital account. So, we have to select the capital account and we have to enter the figure. Then by cash, we have to enter and we have to give the details. I have already created all the vouchers for this problem. So, I am taking the display of that. Let us see that. Here, after taking the display, we have to fix the period correctly. 1/4/2022 to 31/3/2023. These are the various details of the transactions as per that of the sum. This is the journal entry. First is business started with capital. This is the entry. Next, the amount is deposited in the bank. This is the entry. Then for purchase of furniture is made. This is the entry. Then sales is made, cash sales. 1 3 2022, 31 3 2023, 1 4 2022. Furniture. Then this is the entry for the credit sales made by Aravind. Next entry is purchases, credit purchases to Amit. Then purchase return made, receipt of the cash from Aravind. Then withdraw from the bank for the business purpose, withdraw from the bank for the private purpose. Then expenses paid, that is telephone rent. Then Amirtalal account, settlement. Next, the expenses paid, stationery rent and salary. All the payment were made using cash. This is the entry. Now let us see how the display will appear in the Tally. We have to go to the gateway of Tally. After that we have to fix the profit and loss account under the display. Then we have to fix the period correctly. What are the details we are in need of it. After that, fixing the report will appear. Then we have to click the detail. This is the profit and loss account display for this particular problem. Next, display of the balance sheet. Here we have to again fix the period correctly. 31/3/2023, and we have to see the detailed figure. This is the detailed report of the balance sheet for this particular problem. Now let us move to the questions. What are the various types of voucher? What are the golden rules of the voucher? What is debit note? How will you activate the features? What is the purpose of profit and loss account and balance sheet? The answers are as follows. Thanks for watching.